Hello and welcome back to my channel Chandrani Das Art, and I'm Chandrani. In this tutorial we will learn how to make Krishna's jewelry. Okay, so you can apply this kind of this technique for all kind of jewelries for your painting on canvas, and I'm using acrylic color. So if you are new and a beginner, and if you didn't check this my previous tutorial about Krishnas and all this, please do that. I have shared the link on the description below. Please check that and then come back to this video, and then you will understand each and every steps. Okay, so I'm going to explain you each and every steps of how to make jewelry and how to design it. So stay tuned with that, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're new and want to learn art, both digital and handwriting. Please do share this video and please do subscribe my channel. Okay, if you are already a subscriber and are watching this video, thank you so much for sticking with this channel. I will be back after this video. Okay, so stay tuned and happy learning. Alright, so here I am using yellow ochre for the basic coat. You can apply any kind of yellow color because this will not be the final output. This is something which we will do for the first coat to cover the canvas. So yeah, it's a jewelry, so I choose the yellow color. I mean yellow ochre. You can choose different color as you wish. Let it dry. Till then we can do the necklace. I'm using a little darker color for this, so that we can distinguish between those necklace. There is not a single necklace, there are too many necklaces, so we have to differ from one to another. So I'm going to apply this darker color. So after drying the earrings, now we have to do the detail drawing. For that, just apply some brown color, as we are going to do some jewelry color. So gold has yellow variants like deep dark yellow to dark brown, so I'm using this. So for that, choose any kind of color that you like. I have chosen here red color for the design. I'm feeling like I have a jewelry shop and I design jewelries, which is not, but still I'm enjoying this process. Excuse me for this noise. There are too many noises where I live, so excuse me for that. Now after drying the necklace part, we can design it. I'm using red here, red like crimson color. You can use whatever color you choose. Just make sure your contrast will good enough to look. Okay, so here I'm applying some gold color. I have bought this color from Flipkart. Let me know if you don't find this. I will share this link. So after applying this gold color, this area is looking beautiful and a little bit glossy, just like gold. And after that I'm applying the designs. So for these steps you need to be very patient. Okay, it's not that it will end up within a minute or within an hour. It will take a lot of time from you. So if you are a beginner and if you want to draw like this, just have some patience. enjoy your drawing with listening music, any kind of music that you love. Believe me, this will give you peace. Now it's time to highlight the golden jewelry, I mean the necklaces. So I'm going to give this a color dark Prussian blue. So after that, here I am applying the gold color again. So this is not that what I am using, you have to use that. You just choose your own, okay? Here's the final look. So this was all for today, guys. I hope you have learned and enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit um, boring kind of, but if you want to learn, these will be the steps that you should have to learn, and I have shared the basic steps with you guys so that you can do this, and you can learn the techniques. That's the main important thing. You have to learn the technique, how to paint, and what are the layers that we should have to follow. Okay, so in this tutorial we all knew about how to draw jewelry. On my next video I will make the peacock feather, so stay tuned for that. We will learn how to make peacock feather on Krishna's head, or any kind of peacock if you want to learn. So I will explain each and every steps. I hope you like my video. Please hit a like button if you are watching and if you liking my videos. So it will motivate me a lot. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will be back on my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.